The students of University professor Dr. Ron McNinch surveyed 340 people back in October. Half were men, half were women. Half were over 40, half were under 40. The sample group was asked a series of questions related to trust in federal, local, and individual leadership. Compared to national polls, where Washington leaders typically score in the single digits, local scores tended to be in the high double digits.
I think the biggest message is the public on Guam respects and trusts public leaders in ways that sometimes we forget, and that leaders have to act in ways to maintain that trust if they're going to be effective.
Looking at some of the results, the top federal and local office holders, President Obama and Governor Calvo, scored an 85% and 77% trust rating, respectively.
Very, very good numbers, well and above a partisan level. And so that was an interesting finding, that the president is viewed very, very positively, and the governor across the board is viewed very, very positively.
For the legislative branches, the U.S. Congress and Guam legislature scored a 68.4% and 66.5% trust rating, respectively. Congresswoman Bordallo received a 74.5 rating. Respondents were also asked to name one local senator they trusted most. Only 3 received at least 20 votes each. They were, in order, Senators Michael San Nicolas, B.J. Cruz, and Frank Uggan Jr. The Guam Supreme Court scored a 79.9% rating, and the most trusted local elected official at 83.3%.
The nonpartisan positions typically fare a little bit better because there's no politics, and so the most favorably viewed elected public official is the Attorney General Elizabeth Baird Anderson.
And finally, in the interest of full disclosure, the local news media scored a 75.5% trust rating. For Guam's News Network, I'm Nestor Lecanto.